What's up, guys? In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do an oil change on your Ktm125sx. This applies to the gases, Huskies, KTMs. Obviously they all share the same engine, I believe, from 23 to now 25. I'm gonna be using the Motorex stuff 1550. Several people in my comments have asked me to make a video on an oil change, so I was like, why not? It shouldn't be too long. It takes literally 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, especially because we just had Southwick this past weekend, 6 motos. So this thing got the absolute shit beat out of her. Probably a good time to do it. I do it normally every 5 hours anyways. So see how many hours I have on the bike. Damn. 60. 59.9. Yeah, so we're just about due for an oil change. First things first, take out your butt plug. Now you're gonna want to start it, get the engine kind of warm. Alright, so we got her all warmed up, got the fluids flowing. She's warm. First thing I'm gonna do, unscrew the oil cap. Gonna set that aside, like right here. It's really dirty too, I gotta clean that. You know what, I actually forgot that the oil drain bolt was right here on the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it off the stand so that the oil, when it comes down, doesn't hit the frame, hit the stand, and make a big mess. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I don't really have anything smaller than this, so I'm just gonna use this for the drain pan, even though it's like literally like a quart inside of here, but I don't have like a cup or anything smaller, so we'll just use that. That'll be good enough. Alright, I believe this bolt is gonna be a 13, if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna grab my 13 socket. Sweet. Let me get a good angle of this. Let's see if it had to be changed or not. Hopefully it's still golden like it was last time I changed it. And all the other times I've changed it. Damn, I torqued that shit on there. Oh, I got it loose. It's actually not bad. It's a little bit darker than how it was before when I was changing it, but that is still pretty golden. Look at that KTM engineering. Drains out right on the frame. Looks like we got a little bit of metal, probably just from the clutch plates, the steels and fibers. Hopefully. I don't have a whole lot of stuff to work with as far as cleaner and degreasers. I normally would use brake clean on something like this, but I'm just gonna use the Motul chain cleaner stuff. This will do fine for what I need it to do. I'm just gonna spray it on the drain plug. Wipe that clear. And this oil has been draining out, dripping for about like 5 minutes now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that's about ready. I don't have another crush washer, so I'm just gonna reuse this one. Don't be like me and make sure you replace this so you get a nice good seal. That's pretty tight. I'll go one more. There we go. Just gonna follow up on the oily frame with some chain cleaner again. Good. As far as this oil plug hole goes, I'm just gonna clean that off with the same rag I used. Just kind of try and make sure none of that shit falls inside of there. Some chain cleaner. Clean up the area. Make sure it's gonna get another good seal again when we put it back on. After we got that all dialed in, we're just gonna take our KTM threaded funnel so we make sure we don't have any leakage onto the motor. Alright, so as far as the oil goes, we're gonna be using the Top Speed 1550 full synthetic Motor X stuff. I believe it takes 800 milliliters, so I'm just gonna fill this up to 500. cc's. Just gonna go right ahead and start pouring it in. That's mint right there. $300. Drop her in the tank. Stuff is like maple syrup, it's so thick. Now we're gonna unthread our KTM funnel and thread back on our oil cap. Right there's mint. Sweet. Pretty much gonna conclude our video for today. It's really not that complicated, pretty straightforward, but you guys asked for the video, so I'm gonna make it. That's really what it came down to. You guys could do it at your house. But yeah, this is the secret to keeping your TBI 125 or TBI Austrian bike 250, 125, 300, whatever it's gonna be, two-stroke. Under great care. You could see him at 60 hours. And this thing is not skipped a beat. Did one top end at 50 hours. I'll let you guys be the judge of this one. This is 50 hours on a TBI KTM 125. What do you guys think? I think that's a W. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys want more videos like this one, install videos, how to work on things, got a certain question on how to do something specific, let me know. If I know how to do it, chances are I'll make a video on it. Also got some more content coming out on this bad Larry right here. Had a little mishap. I hit a pothole in the great state of Massachusetts and broke my subframe. So I had it re-welded. I raised it back up. It's raised up a pretty good amount now actually. And I had to take my bumper off to get it on the alignment rack.